Also, as part of setting up our interface, we want to give some thought to shutdown events. The default behavior of a PINet node is that each time PINet is stopped or started, the PINet software will check for the need to record shutdown events for all tags that are collected locally. Just in case the PINet gets confused or loses track of which tags are configured for local collection, it's best to explicitly specify exactly which points get shutdown events when PINet is stopped or restarted. Two command files are used to configure shutdown events on a PINet node. One command file called ShutdownEvents.com executes when PINet receives an orderly shutdown. Another command file, check for crash, is executed when the PINet node starts back up. The check for crash command file attempts to do recovery and to record shutdown events in the event that the PINet node did not receive a normal orderly shutdown. So let's take a look at those files. ShutdownEvents.com and checkforcrash.com are similar. There's a lot of commands at the top of the file that attempt to calculate the shutdown time. And the important thing for us to note is down at the end of the file is a definition of a symbol to execute the shutdown events program. And then we use the symbol to execute the shutdown events program, passing parameters to it. In our case, shutdown events have been pre-configured to record shutdown events at the time that's passed, and the only tags that are going to receive shutdown events are the io_rates.dat tags, so only the system tags are going to receive shutdown events. Since I happen to know that we have a fractal interface on this node, and it's the only interface on this node, I'm going to pass the point source character of the fractal program to record the shutdown events. So in this case, two groups of tags, those listed in the io_rates.dat file and those with a point source question mark, are going to receive shutdown events. The items you can pass here on the command line you'll find in the documentation, but in summary they can consist of a file name that contains a list of tags, and the list of tags has a very simple format, one tag listed per line, tag name starting in column 1. Or you can pass a point source character, or you could pass something like a tag name. So if I had a tag called sinusoid and I wanted to record a shutdown event to it each time the PINet node stopped, I could do that. Or you could specify a point source with a number integer following, where the number is a value that might be found in location 1 of the points with the specified point source. So in this particular case, I'm specifying all of the Honeywell points that are for node 1 and gateway 1 of a Honeywell interface. Since I don't have a Honeywell interface, I'm going to rub this out, and I don't want to record shutdown events for sinusoid because sinusoid is not collected on my machine. But the result is this. Remember, you want to record shutdown events only by the node that actually collects the data. So you wouldn't want another node to be recording shutdown events for the fractal tags because fractal isn't running on that other node. Also, one more thing, if you're collecting data in a redundant configuration, you don't want to record shutdown events at all, ever. You want to rely on the redundancy to keep your data collection going for you. I'll repeat this configuration in the check for crash command file. Again, check for crash has quite a number of commands at the top of the file, and what we're interested in is down here at the bottom. I'm going to add my point source for fractal to this, save my file, and this completes my configuration of shutdown events.